Hello friends, I am Vaibhav Markad and today's topic is exception handling. The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors so that normal flow of applications can be maintained. What is exception handling in Java? In Java, exception is an event that disrupts the normal flow of the program. It is an object which is thrown at runtime. What is exception handling? Exception handling is a mechanism to handle runtime errors and such as class not found exceptions, remote exceptions, etc. The core advantages of exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of applications. An exception normally destroys the normal flow of application. For example, statement. Suppose there are 10 elements in Java program and an exception occurs in the statement 6. Then the test of load test of code will be not executed. That is, statement 7 to 10 will not be executed. However, when we perform exception handling, the rest of the statements will be executed. So that's why we can use exception handling in Java. In Java language, throwable class is the root class of Java exception. Type of Java exceptions. There are mainly two types of exceptions, checked and unchecked. An error considered to the unchecked exceptions. So according to oracles, there are three types of exceptions, namely checked exceptions, unchecked exceptions, and last one is error. So firstly we will discuss checked exception. The exceptions that are checked during the objects and the compile time are termed as checked exceptions in Java. In Java, compile check the checked exceptions during compilation to verify a method throwing as exceptions certain a code to handle the exceptions with the try catch or not. If there is no code to handle them, the compile checks whether the method is declared using throw keyword, and if compiler finds neither of two cases, then it's give a compilation error. And checked exception extend the exception class. Some unchecked exceptions are first one is arithmetic exceptions. Input mechanism, illegal state, missing resources, no such elements, undeclared throwable, empty stack. So in Java provides 5 keywords that are used to handle the exceptions. First one is try. The try keyword is used to specify a block where we should place on exception code. It means we can't use try block alone. The try block must be followed by either catch or finally. Catch. The catch block is used to handle the exceptions. It must to be preceded by the block. We can't use catch block alone. It can be followed by final block. Third one is finally. The final block is used to execute the necessary code to program and it is executed whether an exception is handled or not. Fourth one is throw. The throw keyword is used to throw an exceptions. Thank you.